Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to do a tempered glass screen installation on the Blackberry KEY2. So, start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so here we have a tempered glass for your Blackberry KEY2. There wasn't a lot of options to pick from, so I just picked like the first one that actually popped up by Amazon. Big shout out to them for always being up top, you know. And I just wanted to actually do a quick installation now. I did actually get some scratches already on the phone, so this is pretty much to protect the phone from getting any more scratches. As you guys can see, it looks like it's a full tempered glass and you only get one in the box. I paid about $8 and it looks like you don't really have a lot of different choices here, so I'm definitely clean this up and I will do the installation. Basically, if you guys aren't used to doing this, you just have to clean it up and you have to dry it off, and you gotta use a sticker, and then you place your glass on top. So here's how you start it off. You gotta clean this up just a bit. Clean it up real good and just make sure you get like a lot of the oils and everything out, and try to avoid the earpiece. Don't do like what I just did. I usually always turn off my phone for this, but I totally forgot, so let's just do it with it on. And you basically are just cleaning this up so you won't have a lot of oils on there. Those scratches are killing me, man. Oh my gosh, too little too late. And I just got those yesterday and I had the glass for like 3 days, so imagine how I feel. Alright, so I'm just gonna zoom in real quick on this so you guys can see how the process works here. So we're gonna use the stickers and just hit it up for any type of dust. And I was actually watching Rob Pouncey's video where he had that little spray saying how you clean out your keyboard with, and he used it for this, which is, I never would have thought of that. So big shout out to Rob for that. That was really innovative. So let's just put it on, take this off. Alright, focus that in. Alright, take it off, put it on, see how good it is. So I'll definitely start with the camera and the earpiece and that little sensor that's not showing there, and just drop it. That's it. So let's see what happens. It'll definitely leave a gap for your on-screen buttons so you're able to tap it without any problems. See if I go into something here. Yeah, so it's not affected there. Now let's see how the quality is. Okay, so it does have a dot matrix, guys, so you probably have the adhesive on the sides here. I'm not positively sure, I didn't even check, but so let's see how the touch sensitivity is. It feels pretty good, honestly. You know what, it's actually pretty good. I don't have any bubbles because it has the dot matrix, so you probably have the adhesive around, but it's better than nothing because I don't really see a lot of accessories for this phone as well. It does the job and I definitely love the look of it. I'll keep you updated in the description if anything changes. If it falls off, does it look like it's gonna fall off? Not sure. I don't know if you guys can see, like it's a little bit lifted, so you never know with these tempered glasses, but as far as touch, it's pretty good, so I really don't mind that. If you guys want to buy this product, the link will be down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Blackberry KEY2 and more tech to come. So to the next video, guys. Peace. Later.